In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file on your laptop. Whether you're working on a document, a school project, or something you want to share professionally, knowing how to turn your file into a PDF is extremely useful. PDFs are great because they keep your layout, fonts, and images looking the same on any device, and they're harder to edit accidentally, which makes them ideal for sharing and printing. Let's start with the most common situation. You've already created a document, maybe in a word processor or a presentation app, and now you want to save it as a PDF. Open up that file on your laptop. Once it's open, look for the File menu at the top of the screen. Click on File, and then look for an option that says either Save As, Export, or Download. On many apps, you'll see Save as PDF or Export as PDF right there. Choose that option. Pick a location on your laptop where you want to save it. Give your file a clear name and then confirm or click Save. After a moment, your PDF will be created in that folder. If you don't see a direct Save as PDF option, don't worry. You can use the Print feature instead. Go back to the File menu and select Print. In the Printer selection area, instead of choosing a physical printer, look for an option like Microsoft Print to PDF, Save as PDF, or a similar virtual printer. Select that, then click Print. Your laptop will ask where to save the file. Choose your folder, type a name, and save. You've now created a PDF using the Print function. You can use this same Print to PDF method from many apps, including browsers. For example, if you have a web page, an email, or an online receipt you want to keep, you can press the Print shortcut on your keyboard, change the printer to the PDF option, and save it just like a document. Once the PDF is saved, navigate to the folder where you stored it and double-click to open it. Check that all the pages look correct, the text is readable, and any images or tables are properly formatted. If something doesn't look right, go back to your original file, adjust the layout, and export or print to PDF again. That's all you need to start making PDF files on your laptop, using tools that are already built in.